Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing how an admin can use the kiosk URL link to remotely see what donation products are available on the kiosk screen. This feature is for admins, including data admins and company admins, who help manage donation settings. So why is this helpful? Because it allows you to quickly view and manage the donation items shown on the kiosk without needing to be on the site. In order to access the kiosk URL, you need to click on Customize from the kiosk setup module. Next, you can go to any of the kiosk URL links. After clicking on the kiosk URL, you will see this page. This page contains the donation products that are shown on the kiosk screen. You can also update any of the available product names or can also add more products to the kiosk. However, it is recommended to add up to 6 products on the kiosk. For updating or adding the products, you need to go to the payments page. Under the payments, go to products, click on show in kiosk, and we can see these are the available products shown on the kiosk screen. You can edit any of the product names. For example, I am updating the product name General Fund to General Funds. Make sure that Show in Kiosk button is on. Click on Update, and we can see that it is updated here. You can reload the URL and see that it is also updated on the screen. In the same way, you can click on Add New, click on Donation Category, write a product name, click Show on Kiosk, and click on Create. Go back to the kiosk URL below it, and we can see the youth program is also added in the kiosk. In this way, you can utilize the kiosk URL. Thank you so much for being with us.